Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. Let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down in order to find a special number which is called build number, and as you can see it is at the very bottom of the list. So now simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and now we can go back to the general settings and enter the system. It should be right above the About Phone. So let's tap on it, and here we've got the developer options which will appear of course after activating. So let's tap. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the standby apps, we can manage the show crash dialog, we can disable USB audio routing. Here we've got some options connected with the view updates, with the animations, here with connection, because we've got the NFC, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and USB also. And basically everything works the same just like in the regular settings. So if you want to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale for example, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options and if you want to turn them off completely, just tap on the switcher at the top, which is on this green background. Simply tap on it and you can see that most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system settings, the developer options will disappear from the list. But of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.